Hi everyone, welcome to my review of the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Titanium. Although it's not the full name, but I'll show you around it, I'll tell you a few things about it, and I even have a video where I open this laptop up. So first let's see the open up. So now, after you saw me open up the laptop and the pen, I'll show you all around the laptop my thoughts and some of my experience with it. So first off, I'll show you some of the ports of it, which there aren't many. On the right, you only have like Kensington lock to lock this laptop to any, let's say, a desk, so nobody will take this. It's like part of the chassis. Aux, and just the power button, which I don't really like the idea where they're putting the power button on the right. It's just like, for me as a Lenovo user for a long time, like let's say 7 years, even more, but let's say 7 years, it's just not right. It's just like they're trying to be something they are not, but nonetheless, that's just not my favorite part of it. That's the fingerprint reader, which is fine, but I haven't used it really. On the left, you have two Type-C Thunderbolt. I think it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. So it's pretty fast. It also supports super fast charging, and that's because my cell phone, which is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, supports super fast charging. Whenever I'm charging my cell phone with the power adapter that I've got with this laptop, it's just fast charging it, so it's nice. And this is a try for the one. Whenever you are like SIM try, you're putting on the SIM and you have everything that you need. So let's open up the laptop and I'll show you what it's like to have a Windows on it. So again, on the right, come on Lenovo, don't try to be something else. Yeah, so that's the screen. It's 3x2, something like that, which is pretty unique. But if you are older enough, you can tell that this screen looks like screen from like, let's say 25 years ago, something like that. Right on the top, so you can see the little LED, which is the face recognition thingy, infrared, you can say. I'm not using it, but I know it works. I just don't need a password. So that is it. That's that. Also, right here you have like you can open and close the camera. It's pretty new for Lenovo to have this camera shutter for all their laptops. Now, regarding the Windows, a few things. First off, the touchpad. The touchpad is really unique. Again, Lenovo is trying to be something they are not. It came off, I think it came off from the MacBook Pro 2015. I've used it on the Mac. It's nice, really, it's nice. But with this one, you have to to be agile. You have to like get to know. You have to get to know it, because I'm used to a Lenovo to have like a physical button. When I'm pressing it, then I get the feedback. But with this one, there isn't much. Maybe if Lenovo could have some vibration or anything like that, then maybe it would be better. But whenever it's like this, I don't know. I'm preferring to use the red dot. I've got to use the red dot because of this trackpad. But again, it's okay. It's okay. It's really responsive. It's okay. Really, it's okay. It's just you have to get used to it. So, regarding the hardware, Windows properties, and there you have it. 11th Gen i7 11660G7 and 16 gigs of RAM. Now, I'm pretty sure it's the most expensive configuration, because it also has the HD, the Ultra HD, and the screen is really nice. I guess that you cannot see it from the camera, but believe me, whenever someone sees this laptop, they're saying, wow, what a screen. And it is. Also, people say that reflective, but as you can see, nothing. You cannot see me, only when it's turned off or when the screen is black, which is fine. As long as I'm not using the laptop for anything that's work related, then fine. I don't mind that it will reflect. I really don't mind. Now, what can I say about it? What else? Okay, so regarding the disk, it also has the Tera 1,000 gigs of storage. It's the tiny one, but just for this video, let me have this roll on, and once it's done, I'll tell you what it's got. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, it's 2.3 gigs of read and 2.6 gigs of write, which is really nice for a laptop. Even computer has like slower read and writes. Never mind, it's just the SSD. Anyhow, regarding the screen and the usage of having 3x2, I'll give you an example. I'm using a lot of PowerShell and stuff like that are related to writing, and it's really useful for me. As you can see, I can like get really close to everything that I'm writing, and I love it. I really do like it. It's really useful. It's really useful to have a touch screen. It's really useful to have like higher density of pixels, because like I'm pretty far from this screen and I can read anything. I can read anything that I want, and I really do like it. I do like the screen. Now, what else can I tell you about it? I saw a few reviews before buying this laptop that people saying like, oh wow, this fan won't stop working and anything like that. Well, that's only because whenever a computer, or for example this laptop, is new, it just came out of the box, give it a few days, because it's missing lots of updates. It didn't run with the Windows, so it could happen, and you should let the laptop do its stuff. As you saw this video, the fan didn't even work for once. It's a really quiet laptop. It's only when you're pushing it, or if it's brand new, then only then it's going to cause you some noises. Now, about about the type of the laptop. I told you it's a titanium, but Lenovo says that it's other stuff as well. Let me see, focus it up. Okay, so as you can see, it's ThinkPad X1 Titanium Gen 1, but it's titanium plus carbon plus magnesiums all over the chassis. Okay, okay, let's say it is. Then why, Lenovo, why do I have the laptop for about, I don't know, a few days now? No, a few weeks. And it's already got scratches over it. Only because I'm putting it inside my backpack. The phone won't zoom on it, but okay, focus on it. Hopefully you can see. Just a second, let me see if I can try. Okay. It's already got a few scratches, and only because I'm using a backpack, and the whole backpack isn't using any kind of metal like the old notebooks. No, just plastic. So I guess this laptop will get scratched. I don't like it. It's like, because it's bright, you can see the scratches much better. So Lenovo, bad choice. 1, 2, 3, 4 microphones. Also about the flippy thingy, just a second. You can like open it up with what finger, and you can flip it like this, and there you have a nice flipped up a yoga kind of laptop. It's really cool. I'm using it a lot like a tablet like this. I cannot do it right now because I'm having one hand with the phone, but believe me, it's really useful. I'm getting to classes with it, I'm going to clients with it, and it's really useful. It's pretty light. It's got some weight, but for what the hardware got in it, it's worth it. The keyboard won't get inside. There are a few Lenovo laptops that got their keyboards inside, but this one isn't. So hopefully it's going to be all right. It's also got it's disabled whenever it's flipped up. But let's say I'm putting it back in a laptop mode. The keyboard is back to be useful, and you've got some bright light. I don't know why it's in blue in this video, but it's in white. Overall, this laptop is really fine. Right now it's pretty expensive. I brought this laptop for $3,250. Yes, that's the price when you pay for premium. I also paid for another pen, which it's like $60. It's not on me right now, but with the pen, Lenovo failed as well. And why they failed? Because if you want to put the pen over here, you can put it here, okay? But whenever I'm doing like even the slightest like this, it just falls off. So I have to put it in like I don't know, keep it in my pack, or have it in my I don't know, my pants. I don't know. There is no place to hold the pen, and it's really exciting pen, and it could be useful, but Lenovo won't let me use it because there is no place to hide it. There are other laptops from Lenovo, which some of them having a place to hold the pen, but this one isn't. Should someone buy it? I guess if you are a CEO or any kind of high profile person who needs a lightweight laptop, quiet, small. Well, it's not small, but you need to read and write, and you're doing a lot of word, and you just need a lot of words, then this laptop is for you. Everybody else, go with the traditional ThinkPad, not the X1 titanium. It's just not worth it. I think it's just too expensive right now. I wish it was a little more like, let's say, I would pay 2.5k dollars, but 3.2 for this, not worth it. I have i7 and I have 60 gigs of RAM. Also, 16 isn't much today. Also have tera of storage, which is fine. Also the Iris, I think, graphics, which is fine, but yeah, it's new. It's too new for the idea of having this laptop around. I like typing on it, and it's really useful. As you can see, I also have the cellular thingy works. Overall, it's really nice laptop. If you want to buy it, please go on a store. Well, you basically cannot try it on a store because it's a Thinkpad. Well, over here you cannot try Thinkpad on site, but please do try it. There are some key differences from this kind of Thinkpad laptop to another's, which is the keyboard is a little different, and not by much, but after like 2 days I've got used to it. The trackpad is weird, the start button is weird, the screen is weird. You got no outputs or inputs for that to work, and well, again, if you need lightweight and you write a lot and you are like CEO, CFO, anything like that, then fine, go with it. Everybody else, it's too expensive and it's just not worth the money. If you got it for a better price, then yes, go and buy it. It's awesome. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you liked it. And if you have any questions regarding it, like, I don't know, anything, just please comment and I'll give you my answer or anything that I can help you with. So again, thank you and have a nice day.